Everyone assumes that because I play James Bond, I'm this very suave, sophisticated guy. And, well, I have to admit, I kind of am. I mean, I'm James Bond.
Meet Daniel Craig. Born in 1968 in Chester, England, he didn't just step into Bond's shoes, he completely rewired his entire body. Sharp blue eyes, iconic blonde hair, a frame built for action. But this wasn't luck. This was a mission.
And do your job. Do the best you can.
This video cracks open the classified files on how Daniel Craig forged that legendary 007 physique. Forget waking up looking like Bond. Craig faced a grueling, years-long battle against his own biology. He carved body fat down to a razor-thin 10%, making every single muscle pop on camera. It wasn't magic. It was borderline superhuman discipline. His explosive debut in Casino Royales in 2006 didn't just introduce a new James Bond, it detonated a global obsession. How did he do it? Everyone demanded to know. But here's the twist Craig himself revealed: chasing that perfect look can crush you. For him, it was always about raw strength, real capability, being a weapon, not just a poster. And get this, he's nearing 60, yet he looks like he could still take down villains before breakfast. He looks fantastic, and he is incredibly fit just as he was in his 30s. Today we're pulling back the curtain on everything Daniel Craig did to become James Bond. You'll discover his exact weekly workout plan, the 5 key foods he eats daily, the 5 foods he always avoids, and finally, we'll reveal one special skincare secret he uses for that glowing youthful look. Let's get started. Daniel Craig's weekly workout regimen for staying ageless. How does Daniel Craig, at 57, still pull off James Bond's demanding action scenes? His fitness journey isn't about looking good in swim trunks. It's about performing incredible stunts and staying injury-free. Working with his longtime trainer, Simon Watterson, for over 15 years, Craig follows a smart workout plan that keeps him strong, agile, and ready for action. Daniel crushes 45-minute workouts Monday through Friday, targeting different muscle groups daily. Each exercise includes 3 to 4 sets of 10 precise repetitions, maximizing his limited gym time with focused intensity. On Mondays and Fridays, Craig powers through a full-body circuit. He performs clean and press movements that built the strength he needed for those famous one-armed pull-ups in Casino Royale. His weighted step-ups developed the leg power that helped him chase villains through construction sites in Quantum of Solace. Pull-ups, incline push-ups, and tricep dips round out these days, building the upper body strength that made his shirtless scenes so iconic. Tuesdays focus on chest and back. Craig tackles incline bench presses and pull-ups to create that broad-shouldered silhouette we see in his tailored Bond suits. These exercises gave him the pushing power needed for the brutal fight scenes in No Time to Die, where he had to throw opponents across room. Wednesdays are all about legs. Squats and straight leg deadlifts build the explosive power Craig needed for jumping between moving train cars and Skyfall. Hamstring curls and weighted lunges complete his lower body workout, giving him the stability that made his rooftop chase and Spectre look effortless. Thursday targets shoulders and arms with presses and raises. The bicep curls and tricep dips he performs created those muscular arms that look so impressive when he's climbing up elevator shafts or dangling from helicopters. Weekends aren't for slacking off. Craig does active recovery with swimming and light running. This helped him perform his own underwater stunts, holding his breath for impressive periods during filming. What makes Craig's routine special is how it changes with his age. It focuses on movements that protect his joints while building functional strength. His 45-minute daily sessions build muscle without exhausting his body. This balanced approach is why, even at 57, Daniel Craig remains the strong, capable James Bond we love to watch.
It's not over yet.
5 foods that Daniel Craig eats every day. Have you ever wondered how Daniel Craig maintained that impressive physique for his James Bond role? Forget those complicated celebrity diets. Craig's approach is surprisingly simple, yet effective. During his 16-year journey as 007, Craig didn't follow any extreme eating plan. Instead, he consumed 5 to 6 small meals throughout the day to keep his energy levels high and metabolism fired up. His trainer explains that this steady eating pattern, combined with proper hydration, gave him the fuel needed for those intense training sessions. Now let's discover 5 everyday foods that shaped 007's impressive physique. Beyond these staples, Craig's diet includes plenty of colorful vegetables, nuts, and sugar-free fruits for complete nutrition. First up are eggs. Craig's breakfast essential. Each morning he enjoys 2 poached eggs on toast, sometimes with a dash of Worcestershire sauce for extra flavor. As Craig himself admits, I eat greasy fried eggs at least once a week. They're my favorite. These protein-packed powerhouses provide the essential amino acids that helped repair his muscles after those grueling workout sessions. The second food is quality meat. Craig rotates between lean cuts of steak, chicken breast, and game meats. Remember that scene where Bond savors a juicy steak? That wasn't just acting. These protein-rich foods were crucial in building and maintaining the muscle mass that made Craig's Bond so physically imposing. Third on the list is fish, a staple on Craig's dinner plate. He particularly enjoys sashimi and omega-3 rich varieties like salmon and mackerel. These fatty acids not only supported his heart health, but also reduced inflammation after stunt-heavy filming days, helping Craig recover faster between shoots. Brown rice takes the 4th spot. Unlike processed white rice, this whole grain provided Craig with steady energy and important fiber. This helped improve his digestion and maintain cholesterol levels, crucial for maintaining his stamina during those famous action sequences. Finally, Craig kept energized between meals with yogurt topped with nuts. This simple snack delivered probiotics for gut health and healthy fats that kept him feeling satisfied. The combination provided both quick energy and lasting fullness, perfect for long days on set. Craig's approach proves that eating well doesn't require exotic ingredients or complicated rules, just consistent, balanced nutrition that fuels both body and mind. The 5 foods that James Bond never touches. Behind every rippling muscle in Daniel Craig's legendary Bond physique lies not just tough workouts, but a strict list of foods he absolutely won't touch. While his workout routine deserves credit, what he doesn't eat plays just as important a role as what he does. Let's peek behind the curtain at 5 foods our favorite British spy completely avoids to stay in peak condition. First on the no-go list, processed foods. You won't catch Craig munching on chips, cookies, or donuts between takes. These convenient snacks might taste good in the moment, but they're packed with chemicals that can accelerate aging and drain energy. By avoiding these temptations, Craig keeps his skin looking youthful and his energy levels steady throughout those demanding action sequences. Next up is refined sugar in all its sneaky forms. Candy bars, sodas, and those tempting pastries. They are not on Craig's menu. Sugar causes inflammation throughout the body, which can lead to premature aging and energy crashes. Without these sugar spikes and crashes, Craig maintains that legendary focus and stamina needed for those intense James Bond scenes. Third on the banned list, white flour and refined carbs. Craig says no to white bread, regular pasta, and those fluffy pastries that call your name from bakery windows. Instead, he opts for whole grains like brown rice and whole grain toast. This switch helps maintain steady blood sugar levels and provides lasting energy rather than quick bursts followed by fatigue. The 4th item Craig eliminates is soft drinks. While many of us reach for a fizzy soda for a quick boost, Craig sticks to water, black coffee, and occasionally turmeric juice. This choice helps him stay properly hydrated, which is essential for that camera-ready skin and tireless performance ability. Finally, Craig strictly limits unhealthy fats and alcohol. Deep-fried foods and moderate drinking are reserved for rare cheat days about twice a week at most. This moderation helps his body recover faster from workouts, reduces inflammation, and keeps his famous physique lean and defined. By avoiding these 5 food categories, Craig has managed to maintain his remarkable physical condition well into his 50s, proving that sometimes what you don't eat matters just as much as what you do. Daniel Craig's age-defying skincare secret. The man who brought James Bond to life isn't just known for his acting skills. He's turning heads with his remarkably youthful appearance at 57. Daniel Craig's face shows barely a sign of aging, leaving fans wondering how he maintains that camera-ready glow long after hanging up his 007 tuxedo. Behind that rugged yet refined complexion lies a skincare commitment that borders on obsession. Sources close to Craig reveal he invests thousands monthly on premium products, treating his skin with the same dedication he brought to his iconic roles. After all, in Hollywood, your face is your fortune, and Craig refuses to let time diminish his most valuable asset. Unlike celebrities with complicated 15-step routines, Craig follows a surprisingly streamlined approach. His regimen centers around thorough cleansing, powerful antioxidant protection, and intense hydration. The cornerstone of this routine, a luxury face oil called Circa 1970, created specifically for him by his personal groomers Barbara Guillaume and Amy Komorowski. This isn't just any face oil. The Circa 1970 formula packs multiple benefits into a single product, containing bakuchiol, nature's answer to retinol, nourishing squalane, and regenerative collagen stem cells. Craig uses it as his all-in-one solution, morning moisturizer, evening treatment, and everything in between. The oil's warm, earthy scent with notes of frankincense and sandalwood adds a calming ritual element to his daily routine. What truly sets Craig's skincare approach apart is his investment in professional-grade equipment. Daily, he uses a full-body red light therapy machine, the same technology found in high-end spas. This advanced treatment boosts blood flow, enhances collagen production, and accelerates skin repair when combined with his trusted face oil. Craig's groomers, who've worked with Hollywood elite like Leonardo DiCaprio and Bradley Cooper, advocate for quality over quantity. Their philosophy has shaped Craig's approach. Focus on fewer, better products rather than overwhelming the skin with unnecessary steps. The result speaks for itself. A timeless, natural glow that keeps Daniel Craig looking remarkably youthful well into his 50s.
Our next video reveals science-backed secrets to longevity that you can't afford to miss. Hit play now. Your future self will thank you.